Good afternoon, parents, esteemed faculty, fellow classmates, and most of all, our future YOC students. I'm truly honored to have been given this opportunity to speak at today's open house. Thank you to Rabbi Grauer, Mr. Lazar, and the entire administration. My name is Jonah Cohen. Some of you may know me as the Or Chaim Student Council President, others as your brother's friend. But for those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. I was born and raised in Thorn Hill, attended Yeshivat from nursery all the way to grade 8. I was a proud member of the Yeshivat Panthers, winning back-to-back championships, only losing one game. I really loved Yeshivat. I loved my friends, I loved my teachers, and best of all, I was a 2-minute walk from school. Everything was great. But then November of grade 8 rolled around. People started to talk about high school, and you finally have to wake up from the safe bubble you've been in for 13 years and make this huge decision. For me growing up, I always just assumed I would go to Or Chaim. My sister went to Openah, and my brother was in Or Chaim at the time. But then the time came to make that decision, and you can find yourself in this bubble of where do I go? Where's the right place for me? I still remember my open house, sitting next to my parents like all of you today, listening to the soon-to-be 2021 valedictorian Mordechai Wilson speak. I remember walking through these halls for the first time, seeing all the classrooms, all the teachers, and knowing this is where I want to spend my 4 years. This is the right place for me. After a good but pandemic-interrupted grade 9 year, when we walked into school on the first day of grade 10, we came to truly appreciate how much we have here at Or Chaim. As regular Shabbatonim and programs resumed, we finally got our first true taste of what this school has to offer. A YOC Shabbaton is an incomparable and unforgettable experience. The whole school comes together, we sing, we dance, we connect. And it's really one of the most memorable weekends you can have. During my time here, the emunah and knowledge of Torah have grown to a place I never thought would be at. Every morning, davening is beautiful. All the students have the opportunity to be chazan, gabbai, and participate meaningfully in davening. I would say the most inspiring part of the school is the regular tishes that we have, which are among the school's highlights for me. Everyone has attended a tish, a musical Kabbalah Shabbat, but trust me, you've never experienced something like an Or Chaim tish. The Yeshivas Rebbeim are exceptional individuals. They have deep knowledge and a genuine concern for each and every one of their students' development and needs. Your rabbi isn't just your teacher here. He's your mentor, a role model, someone you can talk to. A couple times a year, you go on a Rebbe Shabbatot, where you spend Shabbat, just your class and your Rebbe. I've developed relationships with each of my 4 Rebbeim that will last a lifetime. Each of these mentors have left a distinct imprint on me. The Gemara knowledge and skills I've acquired here during my time will have a lasting impact on my life. What's amazing about Or Chaim is that Judaic studies is not limited to Gemara alone. I've also had the opportunity to delve into subjects like Tanakh, Kashrut, Musar, Jewish thought, and Navi, all of which have significantly enriched my knowledge and Yiddishkeit. One standout aspect that truly impressed me immediately at Or Chaim was the exceptional lineup of teachers and administration. I was genuinely amazed by the level of educators. Every teacher I've had has shown a great knowledge and patience. At YOC, I've only encountered teachers who are deeply invested in their students' development and needs. Each teacher generously offers additional support through lunchtime extra help and remains accessible via email. Thanks to these amazing teachers, Or Chaim's academics are nothing short of outstanding. With a diverse range of courses available, there's something to pique the interest of every student. Personally, my course load is filled with business courses, Nas, English, and my favorite, economics, taught by Rabbi Kurtz, an outstanding teacher whom I'm sure you all will come to love over your years here. However, many of my friends are enrolled in a vast array of classes, spanning from law to biology to coding. Furthermore, seniors in grade 12 have the privilege of learning about the current and evolving history in our course, Modern Middle East. In a time like right now, it's critical that we teach students on this subject. It's safe to say that my peers and I will graduate from Or Chaim knowledgeable, well-rounded individuals. In addition to classes, YOC provides an array of excellent extracurricular activities. To kick off the year, we host a fair that showcases a multitude of intriguing clubs and committees. This year, I'm currently on the Finance Club, Tish Committee, and Apparel Committee. However, there are many other clubs, such as Robotics, Chesed Committee, Parsha Club, and many more. There's something for everyone. Or Chaim takes pride in their athletics program, offering many sports such as soccer, volleyball, track and field, and most famously, basketball, better known as the YOC Knights. I'm currently on the team this year, but that's not the only basketball we have. We have basketball intramurals at lunch and Motzei Shabbos ball. Whether you like sports, robotics, learning, it doesn't matter. There's something for everyone at Or Chaim. While my kavana, knowledge, and capabilities grew here at Or Chaim, I would say the biggest change that I have seen is the leadership skills that I've developed over the years. I am currently president of the student council, and last year I was junior vice president, but I didn't always have this outspoken leadership attitude. I came into Or Chaim a quiet guy, afraid to get up in front of a crowd and speak, afraid to take risks. No matter who you are, your background, or your capabilities, everyone at Or Chaim is able to become a leader and grow as a person. There are several opportunities, such as becoming grade rep, creating and leading clubs, playing on the athletics team, running for a position in student council, taking the public speaking course offered in grade 11, or competing in the annual speech contest, which I was a part of in grade 10. All of these have contributed to my success and growth here at Or Chaim. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the teachers and administration for playing an instrumental role in nurturing my leadership skills and fostering my ability to speak confidently and effectively. The guidance and opportunities I have received here have been pivotal in shaping my personal and academic growth and have made me into the person I am today. I can confidently say there is no place like Or Chaim. There is not a school that shares that same close-knit brotherly feel that Or Chaim provides. Today, I stand before you not just as the president of student council, not just as some kid speaking, but as a testament to the transformation that can occur at Or Chaim, as a student who has grown and flourished within these walls. As I reflect on my journey here, I'm reminded of the incredible opportunities that this school has to offer. Or Chaim is more than just a school, it's a family. I encourage each of you, as you consider your high school options, to think about the opportunities that await you here. Or Chaim's academic excellence, commitment to religious study, diverse extracurricular activities, athletic programs, and an ability to grow are just a few of the many reasons that make this school so special. I am grateful for the support, guidance, and family that this school has provided me. And I'm excited for all of you, the future of YOC, who will embark on this incredible journey. Thank you for your afternoon, and enjoy the rest of your afternoon.